What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. And today we're gonna do a product review. Now, I don't usually do this, but I just had to use this tool not too long ago, and it was the truth. So I figured I had to, it was an obligation to share this with my viewers. All y'all that's rocking with me, go ahead and get those likes up. Thank y'all, I really appreciate it. Love the love, you know what I'm saying? So we got some special tools. I'm gonna explain what's going on, and we're gonna get into it right after the intro. All right, so what we got here? What we got? Buddy let me borrow this. I got a rigid power drill. What's this? 19 millimeter socket. And boom, this bead buster XB-450 bead breaker. And so now y'all know, I got a load in the back. Gotta take some scrap. The caddy's still down too. I'm waiting for another transmission. Yet another one. But y'all know I would normally use my slide hammer, this joint right here, or gently lay it on my caddy. That's gonna be my service truck, or my old hammer. Now, I'm not as good with the hammer as like the guys who do this every day, so that slide hammer for me is where it's at. My eyes, I don't see it like straight. But either way, I'm gonna go find a wheel and we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna show y'all how this works. Give me a second, let me go find something to put this on. All right, so y'all probably remember the old Expedition. This came off of it. It literally came out one day driving. Thank God nobody's behind me, because I hit something in the road and the whole, how can I explain this? That right there, that holds the spare tire up on the truck, it broke. And the whole truck literally bounced like 2 feet out of the air. And it came down and it slided out, and it was a whole ordeal. So that explains what happened right here and how I bit that rim. But so this side is already broken loose, as you could tell, because we're trying to get the bead. And just in case you don't know, the bead is the portion of the tire that sits against the rim. That's where the actual seal is at. So since this side is good, we're gonna go over here. Now, y'all know I got them babies, so y'all know what I'm about to go to. And y'all know I got my special stuff this time. We got real deal lube. So we're just gonna throw some on. But matter of fact, this is what we're gonna do, because I'm not too sure if this will work without it. But I'm gonna show y'all how this works to begin with. So first, we're gonna spin all this out. And that's where the power tool actually comes in. So we're gonna put all this out. This portion right here pulls back, sits inside of the rim, and this portion down here, right there, goes in between the bead and the rim. Something like that. Let me set this down right here. See if I can do it like that. There we go. Should have had it out more. There we go. Okay. So you can see that's in between there. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten that up. Now this, once you hit this with that impact with a drill, it's gonna actually take this portion down and bust that wheel. So I got it in there as good as I can get. It probably should be closer to that rim. And we're gonna take this part that's controlled here and bring it in, get nice and tight. It's the way we like it. Take our 19 milli and we're gonna make sure it's all the way tight. See that going in? All right. Cool, now we're coming on the top and watch the magic happen. All right, well, it did separate from the bead, but for demonstration purposes, we're gonna make sure, we're gonna get a credit all that we can to this this tool. So I'm gonna take it back out. we're gonna go to another side and we're gonna do it again. All right, set you back down. I gotta hurry up because I gotta get this this trailer. Gotta get this trailer covered. Cause I gotta hit the junkyard in the morning. Or scrapyard, actually, not the junkyard. I'm just gonna call this Roses. Oh, I wanna break another one. Now we already done went through a couple GoPros, so. Now, I want y'all to keep in mind, I added no lube to this thing. I'm just going in it. Should probably take those weights off. And this is a nifty tool. And I'm gonna get an affiliate link. Oops. Because if you want one, we're gonna find something and link it in the description below. I need to get this camera hold right. I don't know where my tripod is at, so I apologize for that, y'all. There you go. I think the tripod is actually in my other truck, and that's at the house. So now you may be wondering, why am I going around like this? Kind of have to. Now I'm gonna show y'all, if this does not kill it, and I think it is because that side is already down now. If it don't come down on this particular one, I'm gonna show y'all my next plan of action. We just gonna keep that tight. Oh, my back. It's been a few minutes. Can't take it no more. We're going to the big dogs. Well, we're gonna keep the tension on that side, so. Now, I did make that look a lot easier than what it normally is. The reason being is because this tool actually helped me out. And had I gone around it more, or this was a lower profile tire, probably would have worked out a little bit better. But I gotta give it to the little bugger, man. To have one side be held down, the other side be, you know, applied pressure on, I don't think it's that bad of a tool. About $100-something. Mobile roadside guys, for all my roadside warriors out there, I'm gonna put this in the course. I think y'all need to have this. For how quick and easy this is, plus using it with a drill. I'm not even using it with my impact. Granted, that's a nice drill. My impact is the truth too, and I mean, it would do just about the same justice, but between this thing and this thing, I mean, and that hammer over there, I mean, I really don't know what you can't do on the road. So we'll have to try this again on an aluminum wheel to see how it does, if it fares any better than scratching, because that's the reason why I like the slide hammer so much. And they cost about the same. But I'm just gonna say it, man, you might want to add it to the arsenal. So I will put a link down to where you can get this below. Just check the description. You guys got questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And maybe if we get a bigger version of this, it will be even better, because this is a 255 7016. I just did a 265 7016, and I mean, it did its thing. It took a while to do it, but it did work. So yeah, man, hope you guys find this informative and entertaining. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, mi gente, be pro mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.